Hello, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc here. Working on this Leslie 26-1 kit, modifying it in order for me to be able to play the Leslie 147 in the open load position as opposed to playing the 147 in the 8 ohms position. When the kit it comes like this, you have to play the 147 in the 8 ohms position, but when it is modified with an appropriate resistor, you can now turn the load to open. And so I have one more connection to make here, right here. So I'll put this in there and solder that, and then install my 5 amp fuse with the fuse holder, and then I'll be able to label this 26-1 kit. It'll be ready for use on a Hammond A100 organ. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, doing what I do here in the shop on today. Peace out.